There are over 4 million businesses running their online store on Shopify. So how you can create your store to stand out from the crowd. But don't worry, we've got you covered, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up and optimize your Shopify store to build more trust and drive more sales to your website. And lucky for us, there's no better time to start creating your store because Shopify 2.0 version is out, which means it'll give you so much more control than ever before. Hi, my name is Amy from eCommerce, and we've helped thousands of merchants to start and successfully run their online businesses and have collected very insightful knowledge about e-commerce. And now we've decided to share it with you. eCommerce channel is all about giving you tools and knowledge about e-commerce and walk with you through your whole e-commerce journey. So basically everything you need to become a successful e-commerce business owner. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Before getting any further, let's talk about what is Shopify and is it the right platform for you. To put it simply, Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that lets you sell products or services online. You just need to set up an account to create an online store, and then you can start making sales. Also, you can use Shopify to sell on social media and online marketplaces. So why Shopify? Needless to say that marketing is a big part of running an online business. So the good thing is about Shopify is that it has built-in tools that can help you with your digital marketing efforts. You can create, execute, and analyze the performance of your digital marketing campaigns. Also, a single dashboard to manage your orders, shipping, payments, and pretty much anything you need. Support for multi-channel with Shopify POS, Shopify's marketplace, safety and reliability, great for drop shipping, support for a wide range of businesses, and the list just goes on. Now, how to create Shopify account. Now, let's go in and sign up with Shopify to set up your store. Just follow along and enter your details. By default, Shopify will give you My Shopify URL, but if you would like to change your domain to something shorter or easier to remember, go to your Shopify menu, click on Settings. From here, you're going to go to Domains and click Buy New Domain and enter the domain name you want. Click Buy and you'll receive a confirmation email from Shopify. How to choose your Shopify name. Shopify provides you with thousands of themes and custom themes, which can be overwhelming for a newcomer. So to save you hours of scrolling, I would personally recommend to go with theme Dawn or Craft, just because they were specifically designed for newcomers to start more quickly. But if you want to kick it up a notch and really stand out, check out Shopify's paid themes with more creative options and layouts to catch your eyes. Now let's activate your theme. Go to your online store and click on Themes. Go to Visit Theme Store and from here click your theme and activate it. How to customize your e-commerce store. To edit the look and feel of your store, go to Online Store and then Customize, and it will open an online store editor. On the left-hand side, you will see all the editing tools. On the right-hand side, you will see a live view of how your store will actually look like. So basically, templates, sections, and blocks will allow you to customize each part of your theme individually, and you don't have to know any codings. How to add product to Shopify. After you've designed your store, time to put your products in. To do that, go to the Product tab and click Add Product. This section is very important as we need to show our credibility and why they need to buy our product. Start by giving your product a good marketing name that sounds exciting and memorable, but make sure it's not too practical or descriptive as it's going to get picked up by search engines. In the description part, make sure you let your customer know what makes your product special and why they need to buy it from you. And try to use bullet points or tabs if you have lots of information to cover, because let's be honest, no one wants to read a long and big paragraph of text. How to add photos of your products. A picture is worth 1,000 words. So with that in mind, in media, you can display photos, videos, or even 3D models of your products. It will really help your customers to understand your product's color or texture and so on. Better if you can showcase your product by actually using it. It will help the viewer to envision how great it would be to have your product, like this dog travel bag right here. How to set up shipping. Keep scrolling down and you will see shipping section. If you're selling physical goods, then check the first box. But if you're selling digital goods or services, then just skip this part. Your shipping settings for each product calculate your shipping rates at the checkout. So when you input the size and weight for each product, you will get an accurate label price during the fulfillment. Now your harmonized system code is used by custom, so basically you're going to have a code for every product you sell. Make sure to get it right because your package could be held up by the border if the code is incorrect and your customer won't get their orders on time. Click save and that's it. We just added our first product to our store. Last but not least, tip for your store. Speaking of product pages, nearly 70% of online shoppers read between 1 to 6 reviews before engaging with a new brand. That is why it's a good idea to display your best and most authentic reviews on your product page to build more trust and credibility to your store. You can also use apps like AliReviews to manage and import reviews from other platforms such as AliExpress and customize your reviews to your store branding to make it look more professional and eye-catching. If you're interested in how to use AliReviews, check out our other video tutorials in the description. That's it from me today. I hope this video was helpful and let me know if you have any further questions in the comment section below. We post a new video every single week and if you want to learn more about e-commerce, please make sure to subscribe to get notified when we post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!